Our mission is to help people like you build long, successful and meaningful careers in user experience design. We provide university credit-rated courses that can help you get started in UX and then support you as you progress from a beginner to an experienced senior professional and beyond. Where should you start? If you're trying to break into UX or if you're new to the job, the Professional Diploma in UX Design gives you a solid platform to launch your career. It covers the full UX lifecycle, from research through to prototyping, giving you the broad knowledge that every successful UX professional needs. For those of you with more experience, looking to become a more rounded practitioner, we offer specialist courses that go deep into specific areas, such as user research, content design, visual design, and the basics of coding. Deep knowledge of these topics will help you become a more versatile, more valuable designer. It's all part of our approach to help you grow into a successful T-shaped professional. Someone who understands the entire UX design process. Someone who's confident researching, designing, prototyping, and discussing technology. And someone who also has specialist skills in one or more areas. It's a winning formula for a lasting, rewarding, and enjoyable career in UX.